welcome back to I'm the Squad. So every single video today, I'm going to be telling you guys how to extract the audio from any video. So you might have let's say a song, but you have the video version. Let's say it's from the channel known as NCS, as a no copyright sound, but you only have the video version and you want the audio only. When mainly, let's say you're using background music for your videos, but if you're adding background music from a website, it does not accept your MP4 or MKV or whatever video format because it needs to be an audio file. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to extract audio from any video. So let's get started. First of all, open up your web browser. It can be any web browser: Google Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, just any web browser. And in the address bar, type in olivevideoeditor.org. I'll put this up on your screen and in the description. Once you land on this page, on the top, click on Get Olive. After you land here, scroll down a bit and you'll find Olive 0.1 unsupported. By unsupported, it does not mean it doesn't support the operating system. I mean the default, the main operating systems that mostly everyone uses. So obviously it's not like it cannot support them, but choose your operating system, then go ahead and install. I'm on Windows today, so I'm going to install the 64-bit of the installer for Windows. We're gonna have to wait a bit because it gets all the things ready, and it will soon allow you to download. Save the setup process, or just the setup. Okay, whatever. We'll just ignore that and stop wasting time. You'll see once it is installed, you have to wait for it to fully install. You can see it's not installed yet. There you go. Once it's installed, click on this. You can click on yes, and here you go. Setup wizard. So click on next, and you'll have your general license agreement. Well, you should ideally agree, so we'll just agree. And you can choose where you want to install, but I'll just leave it to the default. Let's click on next. After that, then you don't really have to change this, so click on install. So yeah, basically you just have to go through everything. There's not anything that you really need to change in this. After the installation is complete, click on next again and finish. After you click on finish, Olive will run. No, by run I don't mean it's gonna run on its feet. It's just basically open up, and the first time you install it and open it up, you'll get a nice welcome message, but just click on OK. Now, if you're on Mac, click the shortcut key Command I, or if you're on Windows, Control I, on Linux, Control I, or in this blank box, right click and click on Import. And find your video. So, as I said, I'm going to be using my intro for today's video, but it can be any video that you have. Now, as you can see, our video is imported. Drag and drop it into the timeline. After you have imported it onto the timeline, right click on these two, let's say rectangular things, and click on link/unlink. After you've done that, click on an empty space up above or down below. I'm gonna click over here because it's an empty space. Alright, and now the rectangular thing, which is what we're gonna call it, that's at the top, click on that and right click, delete. Yes, you need to delete this. As I said, we're basically going to be removing the video and only having the audio. Now you'll see you have your audio track. So up above in the file picker, not in the file picker, in the option that says file, click on it and export. But wait. Don't just click on export right then and there. Make sure you disable this video checkbox. Disable this, then export it. After it gives you the prompt to save, choose whatever file name you like. We're gonna name it file 4, random name. And since I had a very small video, just my intro, it exported pretty much in just less than 1 second. But matters on how big your video was and how big the audio track is. Now, wherever you saved it, go there, and there you go. you have your audio. So you know what, let's listen to this audio file, which is just my intro. So you heard everything that's in my normal intro. There's that you can't see any video because it's an audio file. We extracted all of the audio. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more stuff like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.